gusting to 26. Once again at 11 a.m., DFW Airport, cloudy, 73, south at 17. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Cook County in north-central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:17 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crum, or near Denton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Denton, Sanger, Whitesboro, Salina, Crum, Pilot Point, Argyle, Justin, Van Alstyne, Howe, Aubrey, Northlake, Krugerville, Collinsville, Crossroads, Gunter, Dorchester, Corral City, Ray Roberts Park Isle Dubois and Lake Kiowa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 486. Interstate 35W between mile markers 77 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 461 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.